Hello, welcome to the weather update. It's a little after 10:30 on October 14th, 2019, and you're looking at the satellite image here, and you will see here that we have some clear sky over us, which is good. And it was kind of warm today, though, and we're going to take a look at what the highs were across the area because it was quite warm. Right now, 58. Dew point is 55. We got up to 70 at Farmingdale. And yeah, not quite that dry, a little damp. It was cooler on the South Shore. It was actually very nice on the South Shore. It was in the mid 60s, and it was beautiful there, of course. Just if you live there, you are so freaking lucky. The rest of us in the middle are just dying. Speaking of heat, though, it was even hotter than that in Jersey. Let's see what it was high. It's actually down at 51, 48. So it's starting to drop in the Pine Barrens because the drier area is starting to trickle in. It hit 74 in Toms River. Actually, look at that. The dew points were lower there. I guess they got into some drier air. Interesting. Let's see what West Hampton is. Go to West Hampton. See what West Hampton has. Let's see if West Hampton is dropping off. 50, no, it's not. Wow. That's actually colder in Toms River than it is in West Hampton. That's weird. One of those weird things that sometimes happens, even though usually it's always the other way around. Let's take a look at today's highs. Again, there's today's highs. So, let's take a look at the models. See what's going to happen here. Take a look at our area here. And see, well, first the sky, because I'm curious to see if it's going to be a clear day tomorrow or not. So this is the 18Z GFS. It looks like it has some clouds around, but it looks like a mostly sunny day for the most part. We see more increasing clouds Wednesday. Thursday, we've got that instability, cloudiness that we're going to probably be dealing with. Friday, we may still be dealing with that instability, cloudiness a little bit. We'll have to see. And let's see what happens Saturday. Maybe Saturday might be a little better in that regard. We'll have to see what happens with that. Saturday and Sunday might be a little clearer. It looks like actually looks clearer those days. So I'll have to see. I'm not going to go. Well, we'll go a little further. Looks like maybe we have more of a shot at clear weather again later on. And there isn't really a whole lot of foliage out there to see. I've already looked. There's not a lot of leaves changing. So we're still going to have to wait probably till next week before we see some fall colors. I'm hoping we get to see some, because that's another thing that's depressing, is not seeing the fall foliage. Yeah, if you saw my other video, I'm not doing very well mental. I'll talk to you tomorrow about it. This is a weather update. I don't want to. So, clear skies here. Looks like, looks like it pops some clouds up in the afternoon, but I don't know if I'm buying that. And then more clouds for tomorrow. And so let's go to the NAM here and look at our next rain event here. Let's see, this is actually, oh, we actually have the 0Z NAM in, so that's good. We have the latest one, only going out to 51 hours, but that should still be enough to cover most of the next rain event that we're going to be dealing with. So we're going to talk about that. So as we get into the next rain event, fair weather, and then Wednesday we start seeing showers move into the area probably later in the afternoon, and then overnight, probably between 5 and 11 p.m. We're going to have this heavy rain. Looks like it's developing some really heavy rain. Might even be some severe weather in here. I'm not sure if this is going to be severe weather or not, but this looks some pretty heavy rain that's going to move into our area during this period. So it's not going to be pleasant. It could be quite stormy. I'm seeing purples here. So this could be quite heavy. And then this low kind of just gets wound up over here. And then what it does is it kind of gets stuck over New England, which is why the clouds are going to linger on Thursday. Let me see what the rainfall will be here. Total accumulated precip. Could be okay. What happened here? Oh, I only have out to that. Oh, darn. Alright, I'll have to use the older model then. Let's see what it has. So there's the potential for an inch to 3 inches of rain, perhaps. So this could be a good soaker for us, which is good, I guess. So let me go to the dew point here. And let me see if we can get the 0Z in there enough for the dew point. So some products just are a little more delayed than others, I guess. Of course, I'll update you again before this hits. So we go into tomorrow. The dew points drop into the 30s tomorrow. Should be drier air moving into the area. We see those dew points increase on some strong southeast winds too coming in. increasing dew points Wednesday night to Thursday, and then that moves away, and we get the dry air coming in. But very windy conditions. There'll be some strong winds we're also going to be dealing with. Let's take a look at some of these winds. So again, this is not tropical in nature. This is just due to a very strong frontal system. As you can see, yeah, we could have some strong winds, but we'll talk a little more in detail about the storm event Wednesday night on the next weather update. Let's go to the temperatures, and I'll go to the GFS. Let's go to temperatures, GFS. We'll see where our temperatures are going to be tomorrow. So tomorrow will be more like around normal, mid-60s, which is more normal for this time of the year. Wednesday, we're also in the mid-60s, but that humidity comes up. And Thursday, it cools off significantly. We're in the mid-50s with a lot of those clouds around. And then Friday, it may increase a little more into the mid-50s. Saturday, we start getting a little warmer, around 60. Sunday, warms up to closer to 70. So we'll have to see what's going to happen in regards to the storm coming up. I'll keep you posted on that. Anyway, that does conclude this weather update. Thank you for watching.